Welcome to another unboxing. We have two Transformers Galaxy version 1 boxes by Blokees to open. This series has been out for quite a while, but is still available from international online retailers and Blokees Direct. And how about liking this video, but before you transform and roll out, consider subscribing to the channel. There are 10 in this series to collect, with 8 4 and 36s, 1 3 and 36, and 1 1 and 36. There are 9 to a case, so the base set is possible with a good chance of the 1 and 36. But on to box 1. It's Megatron.
The Decepticons have won!
And box 2. It's Optimus Prime.
We're Autobots. We're from Cybertron, a planet far from Earth.
So Megatron is a 4 and 36, and this particular Optimus is a 3 and 36. These require construction, but once assembled, feature considerable articulation and posability. All characters come with interchangeable hands, and most come with a weapon, but at least one per case comes with an Energon Cube too. Oh, and each character has a POG-style collect card. Version 1 is very Autobot heavy, with 6, or 7 if you include the Optimus Prime double dip, and only 3 Decepticons. But we were a little late to the party with these, as version 3 had just been released when we ordered, so we've actually been sitting on these since 2024, as more series were being announced and finally available for international shipping. So tune in next week for more. But until then, that's our unboxing.